Hello, I'm Dr. Elias Tam from EHA Clinic. A lot of people have been coming to see me for hair loss issue. So what we will do for this particular episode is that we can share about this concept called hair gardening. So in hair gardening, this concept that I have created, first we look at hair gardening like in a typical plant. In gardening, we look at the seed, the soil, nutrients, the water supply, then blocking the parasite, and also having enough sunlight for a plant to grow well. So the hair is similar. First, we must make sure that the hair follicle is healthy and sufficient. Second thing is that we must make sure that the skin is healthy. And third, we must make sure there is enough blood flow and sufficient nutrients. Fourth, we want to block the main cause in the case of this male pattern baldness, the dihydrotestosterone, a metabolite of the male hormone testosterone, which is the main cause of hair loss. So, and finally stimulating it, and that could be using lasers or other treatment to stimulate the hair.